So we are off to dinner at the Thai, which is one of our favourite Thai restaurants. Well, not our, probably, that's a silly thing to say. It's actually one of our favourite restaurants that happens to be Thai.
Why are you underselling it?
I'm not underselling it. It's a great place. So yeah, the reason for this little quick vlog on the way to dinner, Deb driving, thank you Deb, is to try out Super Night mode on the new Action 5 Pro camera. So yeah, just curious to see what it looks like in different conditions, different lighting conditions inside a restaurant and whatever. Anyway, I'll get some footage from inside the restaurant as well, and some of the food, which is awesome, by the way. If you do live in Gosford, I strongly suggest checking out the Thai in East Gosford. It's fantastic. Anyway, that's all for now. See you later. Well, that wraps up another fantastic dinner at the Thai. Thoughts, Mark? What do you, out of 10, what are you giving it?
Me not speak English.
Yes, you do. I know you speak English.
I would give it a 9.2 out of 10.
9.2. Pretty good rating. Yeah, it really is honestly a fantastic Thai restaurant. So if you are on the Central Coast and you like Thai food, I would definitely recommend getting out here. Anyway, that's all for this one, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.